Hello guys, today we will talk about what would I do if I were a beginner series. So this series will talk about what will I do if I were a complete beginner at Mixmap. So the first thing I will do if I were a beginner would be to memorize all the cards. In Mixmap there are three types of cards. Attack cards, remix, and defense card. All of the card has different function, so memorizing them one by one would be a great help in your journey to Mixmap. In the next video, we will talk about the difference of each card. Thank you.